After testing on caps, we will move the machine to a proper position and then put it on the wooden plate and pack it. And then we put the machine on the wooden plate. And use 2 screws to fix the machine with the wooden plate. So when you receive the machine and take the machine out from the wooden plate, you need to lose these 2 screws. One screw here and another screw at this place. After we put the machine on the wooden plate, let's see what accessories come together with the 3-head machine. And as you can see now, we already assembled the cap attachment on the machine. Each 3-head machine has 3 pieces cap attachment, 6 pieces cap hooks, and 1 piece cap station. Cap station here, actual 3 pieces cap hooks, and 3 pieces cap attachment and 3 pieces cap hooks already assembled on the machine. And then t-shirt frames, 2 sides t-shirt frame for each head, and each side t-shirt frames has 5 different sizes. Each box for each head, so totally 3 boxes, and also the big t-shirt frame. Each head only 1 piece, so here totally 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And then the big flat frame, like this, and the table. And also the machine standard. After assembled well, it's like this. Standard. And also here, these 2 table holder. These are all standard accessories come together with the machine for free. And then we will start packing. And then we will take the computer off from the machine to protect it well in case it got broken during transportation. And then we put the standard accessories on the wooden plate. And also beside the standard accessories, these are 3 actual pocket device and actual embroidery thread and the client other products. We will also pack together with the machine.